Welcome back to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home Series by AEG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Max. Today we are back at Seletar Hill Estate with this stunning, ready to move in 2.5-storey semi-detached house. Come, let's get in.
This exquisite 2.5-storey semi-detached house boasts a general land size of close to 4,200 square feet with a built-up area of 5,600, perfect for families of all sizes.
As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a bright, airy living space. The high ceiling in the living hall and the double volume creates an inviting space for all your family gatherings.
Whip out a sumptuous meal in the spacious dry and wet kitchen, designed for both functionality and style. Whether you're preparing a casual meal or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen is sure to impress. Step outside to your private oasis where you can unwind and chill out, or dive into your own luxurious private swimming pool. The entertainment room with karaoke allows your guests or family members sing to their heart's content.
Let's proceed upstairs. On the left side, you'll find 3 spacious common rooms. Standing on the walkway, you can overlook the elegant dining area. Next is the huge master bedroom with a study area and attached bathroom.
At the attic level, there are 2 more ensuite bedrooms tucked in the corner for total privacy.
With 6 bedrooms, there are plenty of rooms for everyone to relax, unwind, and enjoy their own spaces. For family with multiple vehicles, the property offers 3 parking spaces inside and numerous lots just outside. Sustainability at its best. This home is equipped with solar panels, letting you enjoy reduced electricity costs and an eco-friendly lifestyle. A modern touch that complements the luxury settings.
Located in the sought-after Seletar Hills Estate, you will enjoy easy access to amenities and major expressways. With Bangkok Square Mall, the Seletar Mall, and Greenwich V just minutes away, and schools like Rosyth School, Sin-Ming Primary, Montfort Junior, and Nan Chau Primary within 2 km. This is definitely the ideal family-friendly neighbourhood. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Contact our listing manager Katherine Lee at 9367 7772 to schedule a viewing today. AEG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.